Welcome to our channel of new audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Language, SOFL, Bachelor's Degree Programme, Bachelor of Arts, BAG, Skill Enhancement Course, BFLS 183 Elementary French, Bloc 2, Uni 9 Les vacances, Vacations, the learner is advised to devote approximately 30 hours to this uni. In this uni, you will learn the following, demonstrative adjective, set, week 1 point describing a place NDTS location, oral, 2. Démonstrative adjective, set, 3. Des B comme de before en adjective, 4. Vocabulary, names of cities, countries, continent, 5. Y, pronoun, 6. Place of pronoun with to ver. 7. Understanding en opinion about a place, oral, week 2, the gender for countries, préposition before the names of countries, cities, 3. Understanding en email, 4. Understanding expressing intensity, très, peu, assez, tellement, oral, 5. Describing a place, au written, 6. Verbe, voir, 7. Phonétique, accent, 8. Culture. Somme Simone à la neige, Uni 9 to provide the learner with the necessary tools, so that, S et can talk about describe place, S et can give argument and counter-argument on specific matters, before we go further, we must understand that holiday are very important to the French. Every summer, the French take a vacation, be it in spring, around Easter. In summer, when schools close, or in winter, around Christmas and New Year, they may go to the mountains, to en Iceland, to their parents or grandparents' house or simply go abroad to see a new country such as the USA, Spain, Morocco, Egypt or India. We will come across a few new places and notions in this text such as Mont Blanc, this is the highest peak in the Alps, 4810 above sea level, close to the Italian border. This is a challenging peak for mountaineer. Many hikers walk around it in about the days, medieval, the Middle Ages in Europe, between the fall of Constantinople, 476 AD, and the discovery of America, 1492, Baroque, à Trent in art, sculpture, architecture and literature. Marked by a profusion of decoration, usually representative of the period between the 16th and the 18th century, Berde, a tiny island in the region of Bretagne, Brittany. Activity 1, in the list suivant, find out the masculine or feminine form of each noun. Exemple, une femme, un mari, note, here again, you will discover word related to family relation, a expressed in the French language, activity 2, see the suivant conversation. Here, Olivia introduce her boyfriend to her family. Complete her family tree, note, in France, a young girl would not introduce her boyfriend to her family until she is in a serious relationship with him, if she is looking at marriage or a long-term alliance with him. The meeting usually takes place during a family lunch or dinner, often organized over the weekend. Should all parties approve of the liaison, there could be a marriage or a pax, pacte civil de solidarité, whereby two persons of the same sex or different sex can live together and enjoy the legal status of a family. Based, you may probably know that in French, some relations are not a well defined in Indian language. The concept of maternal, paternal inclined aunt, grandparents from the mother's side and the father's, cousins etc. are relatively ambigu compared to Hindi or Tamil. For example, the French language does not seek to differentiate between a chacha and a mama in Hindi. Activity 3. Look at Olivia's family tree and answer the following riddle. La belle-sœur de Carla et Florence. Mais qui est son beau-frère? Paul, note, the current activity is purely based on logic. Read the question carefully and look at the family tree. New relations are discovered such a belle-sœur, beau-frère, petite-fille, petit-fils, tante, oncle, cousin, cousine, etc. Make a list of these relations in order to remember them. They exist in India also. Supplementary activity, contact class. Can you make your own family tree and talk about your relative in French? Make a detailed list of your brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt, cousin, etc. and tell the class about them. Y, pronom complément, activity 4, look at the 6 sentences suivantes. Each of these sentences already figured in the text. Read the sentence and say what, in each sentence, is replaced by the I. Exemple, Berde est une petite île de Bretagne. J'adore Berde with y aller. This sentence could also be written a, oui Berde with aller. Berde est une petite île de Bretagne. J'adore aller à Berde. 1. Look at another for exemple. 1. Raoul va en Angleterre. Raoul y va. 2. Simran travaille à la bibliothèque. Simran y travaille. 3. Jean-Pierre se présente à l'interview. Jean-Pierre s'y présente. 4. Magali mange au restaurant universitaire. Magali y mange. Activity 5. Read and reformulate the sentence given in this activity, without using the pronom I. Exemple, je pense souvent à nos vacances au Kenya. Pas toi, si, j'y pense tous les jours. Si, je pense à nos vacances tous les jours. 1. While in early activity en article a noun were replaced by the pronom I, here, the pronom I is replaced by the article a o a noun. Cf exemple above, je pense à nos vacances, point, décrire un lieu. Activity 6, the current activity draws or attention to expression used for describing a place. Look at the picture of Lily on the beach. You have come across this description earlier, p. 96. Can you fill in the blank without reading the text? À Berde, il y a un microclimat, très agréable. Il y a une, immense, un beau, de sable fin. 1. Note, you will notice that there are many expressions for describing a place. Two such expressions are, 1. Il y a. Ex, à Agra, il y a le Taj Mahal. 2. C'est. Ex. C'est un beau monument. In general, while describing a place, one talk about its landscape, climate, activity, inhabitants etc. La géographie politique de la France, each région compris, France is divided into 22 administrative régions. Each région comprise of numéro départements ranging from 2 to 8. There are 96 départements in metropolitan France and 4 départements in ETS overseas territory, also called DOM, département d'outre-mer. These are la Martinique, le Guadeloupe, la Réunion and la Guyane. Activity 8, read the tourist brochure on the city of Strasbourg. From the list of statements given in this activity, tick the ones that are mentioned in the text. Exemple, plus de 250 000 personnes vivent à Strasbourg. Note, this activity helps us improve our comprehension of our written text. We also learn new expressions used to describe a place. La ville se situe au cœur de l'Europe, à moins de 500 km de Paris, sur les bords du Rhin, Bézides. We will also know about the city of Strasbourg, home to the 1. European Council, Conseil d'Europe. Founded in 1949, this is the oldest political organization of Europe and comprised of 44 member countries. All countries which are a part of the European Union today were, at an early date, members of the European Council. 2. Human Rights Court, la Cour des droits de l'homme. This is composed of 44 judges, belonging to different nationalities. Judges are elected for a period of 6 years. Elections are held for 50% of the seat every 3 years. 3. The European Parliament, le Parlement européen. It représente 379 millions citizens from its various member states. Activity 9, based on activity done write a text about a place that you like. Note, base your description on the expression given in the margin of p100. Activity 10, read the list given and answer orally. 1. Observe the last letter in each of the nouns given in the list in this activity. Are these nouns masculine or féminine? La Croatie, la Suisse, l'Espagne, la France, l'Italie, la Grèce, la Chine, la Tunisie. Identify the last letter in each of the nouns given in the list in this activity. Are they masculine or féminine? Le Portugal, le Venezuela, le Danemark, le Cameroun, le Laos, le Brésil, le Liban. The spelling of each of the countries in the first list ends with the vowel. Why does Flora speak of Sophie and Violaine? What could she possibly mean by c'est super et moi, j'aimerais bien que Sophie et toi, finally, look at the last sentence of the mail, is open, point, suggestion, Nevertell, there are some pronunciation rules that have to be respected. As far as the accents are concerned. We have a usually at the beginning of a word or at the end of a syllable. Et j'ai. Écrire, émission, Et mission, début, point, if is usually found at the beginning or at the end of a word, this does not apply for You will never find it, neither at the beginning, nor at the end of a word. Is usually placed before a mute consonant. EG, President usually indicates at the presence of an S which has disappeared in the evolution of the language, EG. Activity OPLES, listen to the track and write the word in the corresponding column, the sound, égale, like in telephone and the sound égale or like in frère or fait. 1. Listen carefully and do not hesitate to repeat the recording if required. Reread the rule given earlier. B. What have you observed? Activity B. Read the table. Listen and place the correct accent on the given word. 1. The 10 words given below are familiar to you, even if you know the correct spelling of this word. We suggest that you try to do this activity according to your logic and observation. You have to understand and you must be able to justify the presence of an accent. Les vacances. Listen a few times to the song until Ed Simone à la neige. By the French group, Les Escrocs. The group, comprising of 3 musicians, was born in the les années 60 and soon established a reputation for the use of a diversity of musical influence, soul, jazz, reggae, salsa and of course, la chanson française or the traditional French song. Let us now try to answer the key question related to the global comprehension of the audio document. 1. Comment s'appelle le personnage principal de la chanson? 2. Quelle est sa profession? 3. Où habite cette personne? 4. Où va cette personne? 5. Est-cette heureuse ou malheureuse? Pourquoi? 6. Que veut cette personne dans la vie? Note 1. A mentioned already, members of European Society go on a vacation each year. This usually coincide with the school calendar. 2. The French usually go on a vacation around Easter, in spring, during the summer holiday, August, or around Christmas. Through the year, families save a small percentage of their income to pay for this holiday, which they may take in France, visiting parents or grands-parents, or abroad. This is extremely important to the French. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait dans votre pays? Note 2. You may remember, F. Beginning of this uni, that winter sports are quite common in Europe, and residents often head for the hills during the winter vacation for winter sport. In daily parlance, one says je pars en vacances à la neige here to meet the snow. Are winter sports in vogue in your home country? Quel sport préfère-t-on dans votre pays? Écrivez en 100 à 150 mots. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. And we will see you with the next chapter.